The film is an iPad Pro 11 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to hard reset a device through settings. So to get started, let's open up the settings app, which you can find somewhere over here or maybe in your deck. And from the settings, you want to go into the general and then scroll down to reset and choose erase all content and settings. Now, if you have some kind of passcode, which you probably do, you will need to confirm it. And I believe it also asks you to log out of your iCloud account, although I might be wrong, I already have done that before. And then let's just tap erase twice and the process should begin. Now this is going to take about a minute or so, and once it's finished we should be then at a setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.